jumping right into this nail tutorial. So I'm just gonna put on this nude nail polish I got from Sally Hansen. It's really good. So I just put like 1 or 2 layers of this on, depends how I put the coat on. And then that finger that I skipped right next to the pinky, I put the Holo nail polish on that one completely. And then I take a sponge and I was going to sponge the fingertip thing part, like, if you know what I'm talking about, on there. But like, I got tired of doing that because like it's just difficult. So I just used it to line where I want the tip to be, and then I just filled it in like you see me doing now. And then I just put on like 1 or 2 layers of that, and then clear nail polish, and then boom, it's all done.